Dear students, this is Kulvinder ma'am here. Are you ready for SST class? Okay. So dear students, today we will read page 18, 19, 20 of chapter 3rd, Variation in Shelters. So all of you listen carefully and write down the word meanings in your notebook. So let us first understand the meaning of topic. Variation. Variation means change. Shelters mean protection, a safe place to live. The chapter will started with the picture of Bambedka rock shelters. This is the picture of Bambedka rock shelter, which are located in Madhya Pradesh. They are the ancient Stone Age rock shelters with paintings. These permanent settlements are over 9,000 years old. They are 700 in numbers and have around 400 paintings. Total कितनी है ये? 700 और 400 के ऊपर paintings है. These paintings give us a lot of information about life, tools and implements of the early man. Underline the word implement and write the meaning tools. The discovery. Underline the word discovery and write the meaning to find out. Of these caves. Okay, these painting caves has linked us to the prehistoric man. तो ये जो पेंटिंग्स हैं, केव्स हैं, तो ये हमें किसके साथ लिंक करती हैं? हिस्टोरिक मैन के साथ. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट है टाइप्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसेस. हिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसेस. As you know that early man used to live caves. Caves were the earliest form of shelter for man. When the early man gave up hunting and food gathering, he became a food producer. This was the beginning of agriculture. It brought a great change in his life and type of dwellings. Underline the word dwelling and write the meaning residence. Now he started living a settled life close to the water bodies. And he needed water for his crops and other domestic activities. He started building huts. When the early man, जब अर्ली मैन ने हंटिंग करना छोड़ दिया और फूड इकट्ठा करना शुरू किया, तो वो फूड प्रोड्यूसर्स बन गए. धीरे धीरे उनकी लाइफ में चेंज आना शुरू हुआ, तो वो सेटल्ड लाइफ जीने लगे और वाटर बॉडीज़ के पास रहते थे ताकि वाटर को यूज़ कर सकें अपनी क्रॉप्स के लिए और डोमेस्टिक एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए. आफ्टर दैट ही स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग हट्स विद ब्रांचेस एंड लीव्स ऑफ ट्री. Later on, the early man discovered that the wall of the huts could be made with mud. फिर उन्होंने इस चीज़ को डिस्कवर किया कि जो वॉल्स हैं हट्स की, उनको मड से भी बनाया जा सकता है. These type of huts are still found in villages. ज़्यादातर इस टाइप की हट्स कहाँ पे मिलती हैं? विलेजेस में. Next, we have come a long way from the times when huts were the only type of shelter. Today, we have different types, sizes and designs of houses in different parts of India. The regional variation in houses. What are the reasons for regional variation? The reasons are such as landforms, climate, material available for building a house, and of course money. Very important that one wants to spend on land and construction. Underline the word construction and write the meaning to build. Next है types of shelter on the basis of landform. Now we will read the types of shelter on the basis of landforms. फर्स्ट है इन हिली एरियाज. In hilly areas, houses are built sloping roofs. Sloping means triangular type of roof which have slope. See the picture. Triangular shape. Okay. And these houses are found in Srinagar and Shimla. The material which are used to made of these type of houses: cement, bricks and wood. Next, in plain areas. In plain areas, okay, as you know, we all are living in plain areas. In plain areas, houses are built with thick walls, high flat roofs to keep them cool in summers. See the picture. The material of construction are mainly cement and bricks. इस टाइप के हाउसेस भी बनाने के लिए सीमेंट और ब्रिक्स की ही ज़रूरत होती है. Many people sleep on the roof in regions of high temperature. लोग घरों की छत के ऊपर सोते हैं जहाँ पे हाई टेम्परेचर होता है. तो हाई टेम्परेचर सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ होता है? राजस्थान. रीजन, एरिया. In high-rise apartments, buildings and flats, these are high-rise apartments, are common because of limited land and large population. तो हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट्स मेनली कहाँ पे होते हैं? जहाँ पे लिमिटेड लैंड और लार्ज पॉपुलेशन होती है, लाइक दिल्ली, कोलकाता, मुंबई एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट है in coastal areas. In coastal areas and on islands, people build stilt houses. See the stilt houses. These are the stilt houses. In flood prone areas, houses are made a few feet above the ground level to keep them dry. आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये ग्राउंड लेवल से ऊंचे बने हुए हैं. One has to climb 5-7 stairs to step inside the house. This is the 5-7 steps. क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? कि इन्हें विल्ड एनिमल से सेफ रहें, ये सुरक्षित रहें, एंड द जो फ्लड वाटर है वो भी इनके घर को कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा सके, डैमेज ना कर सके. तो इस टाइप के हाउसेस जो स्टिल्ट हाउसेस हैं तो मोस्टली किस चीज़ से बने होते हैं? बैम्बू, वुड and coconut shapes. Okay, so this is the type of shelters on according to the different landforms. So you read the page 18, 19, 20 from your SST book. Thank you. Have a nice day.